we continue to crochet a little bunny. We've already made the body, and now let's make the head. A magic loop and 6 single crochets in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round, we make 6 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. Increase, a single crochet in the next loop. Increase, a single crochet. Increase, a single crochet, and repeat till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and repeat. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 3 single crochets between them. Increase, 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, 3, and go on till the end of the round. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and continue till the end of the round. Now there are 36 loops in a round, and we make the next 3 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 35, 36. A slip stitch, a chain, and we've made 9 rounds. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 5 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, and continue till the end of the round. And now there are 42 loops in the round, and we make the next 4 rounds without changes for 42 single crochets in each round. 1 single crochet in each loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 41, 42, a slip stitch and a chain. We've made 14 rounds, and in the next round we start to make decreases. In the next round we make 2 decreases on the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 8 decreases with 3 single crochets between them. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, and go on till the end of the round. In the next round we make 8 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and continue. And in the last round we make decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, and repeat. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end on the thread to sew the head to the body. And now we embroider the eyes and the nose. When the face is ready, we can sew the ears to the head. And now it's time to sew the head to the body. A loop on the body and a loop on the head. And sew every loop. And our little bunny is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.